Hello friend, welcome to Code in Java. Today we are going to write a program to check a given number is Armstrong or not. So first we will know what is the Armstrong number. So a number is said to be Armstrong when sum of cube of all digit is equal to given number. So let's see with example to understand it clearly. So given number is 221. We will find the cube of 2, cube of 2 and cube of 1 and we will add it. If the sum will be equal to 2 to 1, it means the given number 2 to 1 is Armstrong. So let's check first. So cube of 2 to 2 plus cube of 2 to 2 we have written here, and cube of 111 we have written. So it is 8, cube of 2 and cube of 2 is 8 and cube of 1 is 1. So we will sum it. So it will be 17, and 17 is not equal to given number 2 to 1. So it means this number 2 to 1 is not an Armstrong number. So let's see with the other example. Given number is 153. So we will find the cube of 1, cube of 5 and cube of 3, and we will sum it. If it is equal to 153, then this number is a Armstrong number. So let's see here, cube of 1 plus cube of 5 plus cube of 3. So cube of 1 will be 1, cube of 5 will be 125, like 5 into 5 25 and into 5 25, 125, and cube of 3 will be 21. So now we will sum it. So 125 plus 1 is 126 plus 27, so it will be 153. So given number 153 and sum is 153. So this 153 is Armstrong number. So how we will write a code, like suppose we are passing some number like 1153 or 221. So our code should return as a given number is Armstrong number, or if it is not, then it should print as a given number is not Armstrong number. So come to the coding. We will see how we have to write the code. So we came here directly, and just we are going to create a class from the beginning. I am writing every time, so it will be like easy to in your mind always. So how to write? So we will write from Armstrong check, just, and same with public static void main, and we'll do it fast. This come to here. So we have to give one bracket here, and we will to format it we will press Control Shift and F. It will format automatically. This is a short key. So here we are going to write check Armstrong method. So probably why do we write? So we will print it inside this method itself. So in the parameter we will expect one number, like integer type number, for check like int m, and we will pass from, we will call this method from the main, as every time main will execute. So we will pass a number from here. Suppose we are passing 1 2 4, and yeah, in the previous video also I showed like we are calling this check Armstrong from the static method main, so we have to write a static. Now we will come to the logic part. So what we have to do, we have to take a digit, each digit, and we have to calculate it, like find a cube and we have to add it. So first variable we will take it as a arm, Armstrong or not Armstrong. We will take it as a Armstrong, and we will assign it as a 0 first. Now what we will do, we will write inside the while n divided 10. So we can do one thing, we can take it uh, d as a dividend is equal to n by 10, and 1 will be remainder because it is 0. So we will write a condition here, d is greater than, until unless d is greater than 0, so it will execute. So now we will write a program inside this. So what we will do, we have to take a digit. So suppose 1 2 3, we will divide it by 10, so it will give us a remainder 3. So what we will do, we will take a remainder first, like n modulo 10, so it will give us a third digit. Suppose 1 to 1 is there, we will divide by 10, then remainder will 1 first. So in r it will come as a 1. So we will take it as a Armstrong, and is equal to Armstrong plus r into r 3 times. Okay, so what it will do, in the first iteration it will take, suppose a number is 1 to 4, so it will take 4, r will be 4 first time, and this will be 4 into 4 into 4, so it will be 64. 0 plus 64, so Armstrong will be 64 first time. Okay, and d is here, like 12, 124 divided by 12, so it is 12. 12 is greater than 0, so it will come inside this. Now we will again take d is equal to n by 10. So what will happen here, d is equal to d by 10, so n we have taken already here. So now once Armstrong will be 64, so d will be 12 divided by 10, so 1. So 1 is greater than 0, so it will come again inside the loop, and here this is like first time we'll take this as a n, and we will take this as a d. So d here it will be like 124 first time, 124 is greater than this, so r will be 4 and it will be 64, and here it will come, then it will be divided by 10, so it will be 12, d will be 12. Again it will come, and 12 will be divided by 10, so modulo will be 2, and then 64 plus 2 into 2 into 2, 8, so it will be 72. So Armstrong will be 72. Here d will be like 12 divided by 10, so it will be 1. Again 1 is greater than 0, so r will be 1 modulo 10, so it will be 1. So 72 plus 1, it will be 73. So this is not Armstrong, so it should print as a given number is not Armstrong. We will see it here, if n is equal to Armstrong, it means sys number is Armstrong, else it will print number is not Armstrong. So this is the complete like logic things, and it should like once 124, it should print as a not Armstrong, number is not Armstrong. We will give it here 153, 153, so it should print as a Armstrong. So 153 is Armstrong. So this is the main logic part, which will return as a like number is Armstrong or not. So thanks for watching the video. If you like it, then please like and subscribe my channel to more updates on Java. We will come with all the material which will help us parent to get a job as a Java developer from the beginning, like OOPS concept, multi-threading, collection, exception handling, string, like all the basic topics, and fresher level interview questions and experience level interview question. So be with us and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.